What's good, YouTube? It's Ken. I'm back with another video. Today, we are going to be finding out if these damn Pro Tools meters have a sound. All right. If you guys didn't see my last video I made on this, go check it out. I reacted to a video that White Sea Studio made, agreeing with him, just sharing some of my thoughts and points. But today, I'm going to be taking you guys in this Pro Tools session, and we're going to be doing a pretty straightforward in the box test. Technically, it's not fully in the box because I can't figure out how to test both meter settings at the same exact time while completely staying in the box. But just follow along with me. I'm in this Pro Tools session. I have a beat on these two tracks, the same exact beat. They're completely lined up. They're at the same exact level as well. Okay. These two tracks are being routed out of my monitor outputs on my interface. Okay. These two tracks are going to be my capture tracks. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the settings to Pro Tools Classic first. The meter is going to be set to Pro Tools Classic. I'm going to play this track, and this Pro Tools Classic capture track is going to capture the monitor output of my interface. So the way I'm able to do that is just with the interface I have. It allows me to select an output as an input on the Pro Tools track, if that makes sense. I'm not going into any analog hardware. I'm not going or using any hardware in this test. It's just strictly the monitor output. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this. You guys won't be able to hear anything because I can't get the audio to get into OBS. But if there was signal that was coming through and it didn't know, you would see it in the song bus. And that's because these two capture tracks are being routed into the song bus. When I invert the phase on one of the capture tracks, if they don't know, you will see signal going into the song bus. So we're going to see that in a second. First, I'm going to just capture this first track. All right, we captured the Pro Tools Classic setting. I'm going to switch it to K14. The debate was whether Pro Tools Classic sounded different than K14, I believe. And also keep in mind that this was for playback, not necessarily when you bounce the session. So I switched it to K14. I'm going to play this other track. I guess it doesn't really matter which one I play. But I'm going to play this and now capture on the K14 capture track. Enable that. Mute this. Right. We can uninvert this for right now. Okay. We captured these now. We have a Pro Tools Classic capture as well as a K14 capture. I'm going to invert the phase on the first one and then unmute these now. And when I play, there's absolutely no signal going into the song bus. If these weren't nulling, there would be signal that comes in to this bus. Okay? So nothing's coming in. The reason why you saw that spike was because in the very beginning, when these two tracks came in, they didn't start at the exact same time. But if I start it here, if I start it where they're both clearly synced, you won't see any signal. So I feel like this is a fair way to test this because even though I wouldn't even necessarily say that I'm going out of the box, but even if this is considered going out of the box, that should make it greater. That should actually make it a greater chance that they wouldn't know. But like I said, I'm not using any analog hardware. I just captured the monitor outputs of my interface while playing both of the signals with both of the meter options, and I don't see any signal coming through. I think it's safe to say that they really don't have a sound, and we can just move on from this. And yeah, I'm going to just leave it off there. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, if I missed anything, let me know in the comment section below. Check out the links in the description as well. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.